right, people, today I'm going to go and install the Custom Dynamics Modular Magic Strobe. So this works for your rear turn signals and tail lights to make them strobe different patterns so you can be seen more when you brake. I am putting this on my 19 Road Glide Special. I'm also going to put on the HogWorkz mid-frame deflectors, the air deflectors, and the color match for the industrial gray. Since I'm going to have the seat and everything off, I may as well put all this stuff on at one time. So stay tuned. I'm not going to go and show you all the steps of doing this. I'm just going to show you a few of the steps and the end results. So stay tuned and you will see the finished product. Let me know what you think. So here is the bike. My 19 Road Glide Special in industrial denim gray. And it is a wonderful 38 degrees out here in West Michigan. No riding because there's still a little snow and ice on some of the roads along with the salt. So we don't want to get out on that kind of stuff, you know, because it will cause problems with corrosion on your bike unless you're going to completely wash it. And let's face it, it's 38 degrees out and I really don't feel like doing that. So as I was saying, we're going to install the mid-frame deflectors, which will go right in this area here, along with a taillight strobe. So I'm going to get those installed and then I'll show you the results. We have installed the HogWorkz mid-frame deflectors. They're color matched in the industrial gray denim. And honestly, it was such an easy install. I probably spent more time taking the bags and the side cover off than I did putting that on. So there are holes that are already in your touring frame that will line up with everything. So you really go through the little push pin and 4 bolts, 2 bolts for each side. Everything lines up really nice. Remember, you are working with plastic, so you might consider Loctite and making sure that you don't over tighten, because once again, like I said, you're dealing with plastic and plastic will snap, and once it snapped, then you're ordering another set. Okay, so the set from HogWorkz cost like $105. That was tax and shipping. So check them out. Big shout out to HogWorkz for this. Like I said, they did a really good job on matching the color of the bike, so it all really flows nicely. I'll keep some heat off my legs and redirect some wind down and maybe help even keep the motor cool. Let me show you the other side. It's kind of hard to see on this side. The garage is really dark over here, so, but you can kind of see where I got it going there for the right side of the bike. Once again, this was such an easy install that it shouldn't cause you any problems, especially if you have a 19 Road Glide or anything that's a touring frame that's probably 19 and up. This should be an easy install for you. All right, so for the Custom Dynamics Magic Strobe, got that all hooked up and got it set to number 7. Hope that's showing through, but as you see, when I hit the brakes, you get some strobe action. That was the front brake. That's the rear brake. Keep in mind on that, when you hit your turn signal first, you don't get the strobe action. So if that's something you're looking for, you might have to seek out a different product. But with the Custom Dynamics, as soon as you hit the brakes, you get some strobe action. And there's like 9 different settings on that, so you can find out what pattern works well for you and what you like. So once again, this is Rayfield, 1997. Hope you enjoyed my little video.